save it.
I managed to capsize my boat.
On the other side and start nudging it this way.
We got the Emma on way, and we got the hovercraft on way. The Emma's near, turning around.
There you go. Yeah. The Emma's bringing her in.
Come on, Emma.
Holy crap, that's a big wave.
Keep missing.
Wow, it's easier said than done.
Oh yeah.
Hovercraft's out there to assist. We will rescue your boat. Holy cow, I'm going through this big wave. Having trouble turning around.
I think it's getting closer, actually.
It is.
Okay, full reverse on the hovercraft. Oh, it's getting in. Oh, get hit by the Emma.
Well, I'm reversing with the Emma now to keep her on that side of her.
Oh.
We're getting her in. We are getting her in.
It is getting closer. Got the Three Stooges going on out there.
I can almost advise that you guys try to bring it a little bit over here.
Yeah. Should try to get. Yeah, there we go. Oh, the Emma knocks it out of the way. There, the hovercraft's got a good hold on her. And the Emma's not going to fall away.
No, it hit me up. My battery's going to be so dead by the time we rescue the boat.
Mine aren't. I'm not using them.
Good call.
Come on, Emma. The hovercraft's starting to die.
Yeah.
Bring it in before it's too late. Did you bring spares for your hovercraft?
Yeah, it's good spares.
Wonder if I should go.
Bring the hovercraft in now.
Wonder if I. Oh.
Oh no! It took a hit. Your ship's almost within reach. You can nudge it a few more times. Just nudge it a few more times. Oh yeah, one more nudge like that and you got her. There you go. Oh, head for the rocks. Go reverse. Go reverse. Get on there. I can reach. And we did a successful rescue.